Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. So today we are doing a what's new in beauty. Some of the stuff is already out, some of it is about to be released. Am I blurry? Can't tell if I'm blurry. I feel like I'm blurry. Anyway, hopefully I'm not blurry. Some of the stuff is about to be released, some of it is already released, but it's like currently new. And I'm gonna tell you my thoughts on all of it, if I'm looking to try it, if I'm gonna pass on it, whatever. And you can tell me your thoughts in the comments below. And I always use 10 Trend Moods Instagram as reference for these things because a lot of new stuff goes to her, and that's why I like to reference her page because she gets all the new shit. So I'm gonna start with the new Bite Beauty Change Maker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. This stuff's already been released, and a lot of influencers, bigger ones, have gotten this for review, and a lot of their reviews were sponsored. At first, I was interested until I saw Allura Beauty's video on it. She didn't review it, but she gave a she made very interesting points on it. Points that no other people talked about. I recommend going to look at her video because it made a lot of sense. I'm not gonna get too much into it, but I'm gonna list her video below because, again, all the reasons people made for that you should try it. Oh, it's clean beauty, and because of this and because of that. And she did a lot of research in her video about why none of these things made sense. So she wasn't like, this stuff is trash, but she was like, yeah, but wait, this, and this don't make sense. So why are they saying this? So anyway, again, I'm not gonna get into it, but I don't have interest to try this foundation. So there you go. The next is the Tati Blendiful Beauty Sponges. It comes in a pack, and these retail for $48. No, I'm lying, $18. I read the wrong thing. I'm not gonna be trying these. Apparently, like, there's been some stuff where after you wash them, like, they come apart at the seams. That kind of sucks. And when you reach out to customer service, they just send you new sponges instead of giving you your money back. I don't think this happens to all the sponges, but I've seen a lot of people have this issue. So yeah, I won't be trying those either. But I also have seen some good reviews about these sponges. Let me know if you've tried it, if it worked for you or not. Trend Moods box. I was interested in trying the box, but I like surprise boxes. I'm up and down with this because I do like that she's being transparent with her boxes and showing you what you're gonna get, but at the same time, I was more interested when you didn't know what you were gonna get because I like a surprise, and I like a slightly cheaper surprise. The boxes themselves are like more in the $50 range, and I was more prone to get it if it was more like in the $30 to $40 range, and if it was a surprise, but there are some good things that have been coming in her boxes, like palettes and makeup brushes and a lot of full-size things, which are really cool. Maybe eventually I'll try one, but for now I'm gonna skip. I don't have a desire to try the new Makeup Geek rebrand stuff. I don't know why. Something about it turns me off. I don't know what it is. Have you tried the new Makeup Geek makeup brand rebrand? Have you tried it? Is it any different from their old stuff? I don't know. I used to like Makeup Geek stuff. I'm just not interested in trying the new stuff. Ugh, Etude House, K-Beauty. I am so in love with this Hershey collection. I don't know why. It probably like has no pigmentation because K-Beauty, Asian beauty, like cosmetics, is very subdued and very subtle, and I love very pigmented things. And Asian beauty just isn't about that, and that's fine. That's kind of their jam. But man, something about this stuff I love. I don't know why, and it's not the Hershey thing. I could give a shit about the Hershey part. But something about these palettes just speaks to me. I don't know what it is, but I love it, and I really want it. And I don't think it's available on here. Like here, I think it's just available from the Etude brand site in Asia. But if it ever becomes available here, I'm fucking getting it. It's just adorable. I don't know what it is, but I just want it. Oh God, I'm so over Candy Johnson's like OGX. What is this stuff called? Organics, like hair care shit. I mean, that's great that she has, you know, a deal with them and that she's making her money, and that's great. But have you ever smelled this stuff? It is a migraine in a bottle. If you are sensitive to scents and sweet scents, oh dear God, this stuff will kill you. Anyway, congratulations, Candy. Oh, okay, so I didn't try any of the Pat McGrath foundation stuff, but I am very intrigued. She has concealers coming out. I almost want to try some. They're like gonna be in the $30 range, and that's stupid, but I kind of want to try them. I might. Who's ready for concealers? It says, looks like it gives a radiant and illuminated finish. I might try them. Did anybody order any of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes for Valentine's Day? He had the premium, which contains 4 items, 3 are exclusive. It was $60. Apparently all of his boxes, the price went up. The deluxe box was $100, contains 8 items, 3 were exclusive. Supreme box, $145, contains 12 items, 5 were exclusive. I didn't order anything. I never order any of his boxes. I'm not a huge Jeffree Star like makeup fan. I'm just not. I mean, I have some of his stuff and it's fine. I'm just not like diehard. P. Louise is coming out with another palette and some more of her Prime and Define metallic shades. I don't know if you're familiar with P. Louise. She's a UK makeup artist. She has her P. Louise Makeup Academy. I'm very interested in this palette. It's mostly like reds and warms, but it's one of those like big box palettes. I hate those things, which leads me to something else. Jesus God, stop with these palettes. Physicians Formula, nobody wants them. Okay, this is in, I don't know who this girl is. This is in collab with Exterior Glam. This is the Rosé All Day collection. It's a face palette in a box. Jesus God. It comes with a satin blush, highlighter, 4 eyeshadows, and a velvet lip color for $20. And one of those perfumes. I hope it doesn't smell like bathroom spray again. The price isn't bad though, 20 bucks for all that. It's not bad. And actually I do like the eyeshadow shades. They look really pretty. And the blush and highlighter shades, but stop it with these boxes. Please, for the love of God, just stop. I'm kind of disappointed in the new Melt stuff, to be completely honest. That palette doesn't have enough matte shades. Ugh, it's the Millennial Pinks palette. What's going on here? And maybe there's 5 mattes, but 2 of them are like black and like gray. And then the other 3 mattes are like cream, light pink, and then like a dusky rose shade. I don't know. I don't love this. I'm very disappointed. I really wish there was like 3 more lighter matte shades. And I don't know, what are these dark ones at the end? I'm kind of sad. I'm very excited about this. I will definitely try this. I loved the Beauty Blender Bounce foundation. One of my favorite foundations ever. It was one of my ride or dies. Someday I will absolutely repurchase it. They're coming out with a airbrush liquid whip concealer. Don't know when. I don't think anybody does, but I'll absolutely try this stuff. And the last thing is my nightmares are made out of this whatever palette, whatever this is all about. This palette from Sugar Pill. The capsule collection. I hate whatever this palette is all about, but the colors I'm dying over. It features 9 ultra pigmented new eyeshadows and a blush. And it's a unique pill shaped palette with a mirror. It's $42. It has 5 mattes, 4 metallics, and 1 blush from Sugar Pill. I don't even know how. I just read that paragraph in any way that I wanted to. I don't even know what I just said. I will probably try this palette. I love the colors in it. The greens, I love that blush shade. I love it all, except for the actual palette. I'm just confused by it. But it's adorable, and the shades are adorable. Anyway, I'm totally gonna try it. So that was it. Let me know what you wanna try, what you wanna skip in the comments below. This might have been one of my favorite new releases videos because there were a bunch of things that I am excited about. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, or any thoughts you may have that you wanna share with me. If you're a dick, I'll just delete your comment. And if you're wonderful, I will let you know that too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and in the next time, Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.